Welcome back to my channel. I'm Janeta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. We made it back safely from Japan, and by noon we were free to go. If you are interested in taking a cruise, feel free to check out my other video where I discuss it in more detail. Unfortunately, the weather in Taiwan wasn't the best. Cloudy skies and a forecast predicting rain. I debated our options for the drive home. The coastal road, which would take about 4 hours, usually offers stunning views, but with the weather being iffy, there wouldn't be much to see. Another idea was to visit Shifen Waterfall and Pichi, but since they are in the mountains, they were likely to be rainy as well. In the end, we decided to head home, making a stop at Taoyuan Shrine, which I have been wanting to visit for a while. Since it was on the way, it was the perfect choice. We followed the terrain and took the steps next to the Chenggong Road, where the straight sandal leads directly to the shrine. The inner gate and worship hall are connected by the path. Old pine and evergreen trees surround the shrine, giving it a serene atmosphere and the beauty of ancient times. You can park along the road or use the shrine's parking lot. It's very convenient. In early spring, cherry blossoms bloom. In autumn, the front yard and parking area are dotted with red maple leaves, transforming the scenery with each season. Unfortunately, just as we climbed the stairs, a thunderstorm rolled in, bringing pouring rain. We took some videos and waited indoors for the rain to stop, though it wasn't the perfect weather for a visit. Due to the bad weather, we were almost the only visitors. Taoyuan Martyrs Shrine, located on Hutong Mountain, was completed in 1938 and was originally the Taoyuan Shinto shrine during the Japanese colonial era. It's the best preserved Shinto shrine from that era in Taiwan. The architecture blends the ancient Chinese Tang Dynasty style with Japanese and contemporary Taiwanese elements. The building is crafted from top-quality cypress wood, and in 1994 it was officially listed as Level 3 National Monument. The shrine also served as a filming location for the movie Kano, which takes viewers back to the 1930s. During the Japanese colonial era, Japan promoted the Japanization movement in Taiwan, resulting in the construction of around 200 Shinto shrines across the island. After Japan's defeat in the war and the end of Taiwan-Japan diplomatic relations, many shrines were demolished or repurposed, as the number of worshippers lowered down. In 1950, Taoyuan Shinto Shrine was renamed Taoyuan Martyrs Shrine. Thanks to its Tang Dynasty style architecture and high-quality cypress construction, it has been preserved for its cultural, historical, and artistic value. Today, it remains the only perfectly preserved Shinto shrine in Taiwan and outside of Japan. After a couple of minutes, the clouds disappeared and we got a bit of sunshine. We were finally free to explore the rest of the place. There were many wishes from people hanging around, and they looked great in the sunlight. Taoyuan Martyrs Shrine has a full range of buildings. The main clusters include the main hall, where spirit tablets are placed, the worship hall, where worshippers pay their respects, the administration office, where the priest or staff handle daily tasks, and the water room, where worshippers wash their hands before entering. There is also the Torii Gate, Buddhist lantern, guardian lions, horse sculpture, and the shrine sandal, meaning path. Although the weather wasn't great, it was still a nice day. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to check out my other videos, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!